can help you identify them is they have a little horn on the side of their head. Can you see that little horn coming out? And I don't know what the function of that is. It's above his jaws, and it can help you identify if you find one of these guys. Those jaws are adapted for cutting into wood and logs. And these guys actually live in rotten hardwood logs. Oak, maple, hickory are its favorites. And that's why I'm a little surprised that I found best beetles on my property, because most of my hardwoods are very young and most of my dead trees are pines, and that's not preferred tree